Alright, so guys, check this out. As you can see on my screen, I'm getting this error that says OneDrive entry point not found. Yeah, not fun. What the error actually means, now look closely at this message. It's not just some random error, it actually shows the exact file path and a DLL file name. That right there is the big clue. Basically, OneDrive is trying to load this DLL file, but either the file is corrupted or the update didn't install properly. So yeah, this is a broken OneDrive update issue. If we go to this path, you can see this folder, and right here is the file. This is the file causing the problem. First, I'll show you a temporary fix. Open Task Manager, go to the Startup tab and disable Microsoft OneDrive. What this does is it stops OneDrive from launching when your PC starts. So yeah, the error won't pop up anymore on startup. But, and this is important, this is not the real fix. So let's do this the proper way. We're going to uninstall OneDrive manually. Go to Control Panel and uninstall Microsoft OneDrive from here. Once that's done, OneDrive is completely removed from your system. Open your browser, go to the official Microsoft OneDrive website, download the latest version and install it from there. What this does is replace all the broken DLL files with fresh, clean ones. OneDrive opens normally, no error, no pop-ups, nothing. And yeah, that's basically it. If this video helped you out, drop a like, subscribe if you want more quick PC fixes like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.